So today we will talk about Java variables. So there are mainly five types of data types that we can declare variables in Java. So first one is string, which is kind of text type, like example hello or your name. Second one is int, that is kind of integers or whole number, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Third one is float. Float is the decimal values 18.62, 18 point in the negative or in the positive. Same for the integer, in the positive, in the negative. Fourth one is char, that is for characters, single characters, either uppercase or lowercase. So string is represented between two double quotes, and this one in single quotes. Boolean is the another one, that is a kind of state, true or false. Okay, so the next one is, so these were the basic Java variables with their data types. So how to declare variables? To declare variable, this is the syntax. Type means either string, int, float, char, boolean. Variable name should be something meaningful, any name which is meaningful. Okay, equal sign, and then the value that has to be assigned to variable, the assigned value. Okay, so type could be int or string or other data types that we have already discussed. For example, if we see integer, the type, variable name, let it be a number, equal to value, it has been assigned to number. Another example, if we see string, then variable name, and the name of the person is Tom, so Tom has been assigned to name variable of string data type. So these were the things. Another way we can declare is, we can like int number 8, like how to print that we have discussed in the previous lecture. System out println, this is the syntax for printing things. Then we will put the variable name here, so the output will be 8. Okay, apart from that, those data types, if we see, we have float, variable name, num, and the value. So this is a small f that we give normally while declaring variables to the float type. Another one we can see for the char, that is character, any meaningful variable name, let it be letter, and we have assigned capital C in the single quote. Semicolon is the must for syntax ending. Then another one is the boolean, that is for the state, either true or false. So let it be value, we take it value, sometimes flag, and assign the true or false value to the particular boolean data type value. Okay, so if we see the examples, few more examples. So if we take int, integer type of x, variable name assigned 6, so 6 has been assigned to x. Int type y, and 2 has been assigned to y. If we perform an operation, system dot out println x plus y, that we have discussed in the previous lectures. So x and y will be added, that is 6 and 2 will be added, so 6 and 2, output will be 8. So here we can see x stores the value of 6, y stores the value of 2, and this statement does addition of x and y. Okay, so this already we have discussed in previous lecture, this is single line comment. So a few important thing that we need to take a note of or keep in memory, that naming a variables, things should be meaningful. Whatever the naming, either number, letter, value, or name, the variable that you are naming should be meaningful. And few more rules are, it contains letters, digits, underscore, and dollar sign. These are some limitations on naming the variable. And you should always start a Java variable with a lowercase in the sense, if this is the variable first num, so the first letter should be small, and it's a case sensitive means, the example, if you see first n capital num, first n small num, these two are not same, so these two are different, so it's a case sensitive. You should always start the Java variables lowercase, the first letter should be lowercase, and it should be meaningful, and these things to be understood. So in the next lecture we will continue with the Java exercises. Thank you for watching.